Wonder fam, medyo nakakalungkot na yung araw. Medyo nakakalungkot. Yes, halos po natin kasi nakakalungkot, diba? Pero masaya din at the same time. Kasi ngayon, our car, our nitro car, ibebenta na po namin. Yes, ibebenta na namin ang nitro card. Di ba, baby Nitro? Wala ka ng kotse. Wala na. Wala na. So we're selling it because we need the money to get Shanta a visa and get Nitro his citizenship dito sa Australia. Citizenship by descent. Di ba, baby? Yes, we do.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
So we're going through a company called Down Under Visa, who are based in Cavite, Philippines. They are sorting us out the visa for Shanta and Nitro. Hey baby. So Shanta is going to get a temporary partner visa, and then from there we're gonna try to get the permanent partner visa. Diba baby? Yeah. Yeah, hey! Kasi mukhang matagal pa kaming makakabalik sa Pilipinas, no? Dahil sa COVID. So, let's say goodbye to the car, Nitro. Halika na dito. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. You don't want to say goodbye. Bye. Yeah, pet him goodbye. So, tanggalin muna namin ang car seat ni Baby Nitro. Yes, car seat. Yes. We're getting rid of the car seat. Bye-bye, car seat. Bye. Are you sad? Sad? Daddy is major sad. But we have to. It's sacrifice for the greater good. Woohoo! Okay, bye-bye car seat. Bye-bye. Well, we keep the car seat pala. We keep this. Pero lahat ng iba, hindi na. Sa kanya na. Pupunta na yung buyer dito in the next 40 minutes. Hey baby. So, medyo mahal siyempre ang bayad sa immigration if you want to come to Australia on a partner visa. So for Shanta's partner visa, at saka for Nitro to get his visa, citizenship thing, it is $9,650, and we're selling the car for $9,500. So, ayos yung car. Napalitan ko yung tires niya. Bagong tires, bagong brake pads. So, ready na siya for selling. Yes, we say bye-bye. Hey, baby. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye. Bye to the country. And Mommy Shanta will have a visa na. Yeah. Hey, hello.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Nitro. Bibili tayo ng Nitro Dodge na sasakyan.
Again. Got to shade things out for our next car. So,
Next car, pag may pera na.
yes, pag may pera na kami, the next car we want to buy is a Dodge Nitro. Kasi, syempre,
Pangalan
Nitro.
ng Nitro.
That is the only reason I want to get a Dodge Nitro, is because it's called Nitro. And it's because the baby is called Nitro.
Oh no, we have sticker on the car. Ading man.
Oh, the baby
Baby on board nga Yoda.
Sayang, sige lang.
Bye-bye, baby on board Yoda.
Bye, baby Yoda on board.
Bye-bye, baby Yoda. Bye.
So, dito na yung bumili ng kotse namin, si Quentin. Say what's up, man.
Hey,
Congrats on your new car, brother.
cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
So, ito po yung cash na binigay niya. Ayun, para sa visa ni Shanta at Nitro. Here we guys. Woohoo! Ayun guys, wala na kaming car. Nabenta na. Kakalungkot no. Medyo nakakalungkot. Sige lang. Okay, so bali bukas, i-deposit ko na to sa bank account ko. Tapos, Yun, bayaran na namin yung visa at citizenship application ni Nitro. So sana makuha ni Shanti yung visa para hindi sayang ang kotse. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to at kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.